Okay, tell me what you're doing, Gracer.
I am just holding a starfish and it's moving slowly. I didn't want to because I was such a chicken and now I am.
Come hold the big one.
Bye.
There you are.
Come hold the big one so they can see it.
I am.
Here, let me see your hand. Josh, get her holding that one.
What do you got, Grace?
A starfish?
Is it tickling your hand?
Yeah.
It really is?
Yes.
What does it feel like?
It feels like a mushroom.
Like a big mushroom?
Yeah.
Does it kind of make you want to eat it?
No.
What's that Patrick's? What's that starfish's name?
Patrick?
Patrick?
Let me put the baby one next to it so you can get an idea.
Put it on top of it.
Hold the other hand out.
Put it on top of it. Okay.
Do that so people can get an idea of the size.
Holy cow, that is a baby one, huh? What do you think about it, Grace?
I think that's awesome.
Are you still scared?
No. Why should I?
I don't know, because, well, you were really scared before.
Look at this crab. This pinchers went in because I picked it up.
What?
That's a crab in a shell.
Oh, should I hold it? No, I don't want to.
Look at this.
What is that?
I don't know.
It's a pokey.
Okay, say goodbye, Grace.
Bye. Here. I hope they don't die. There's something will. What?
Look at this one. Imagine rock.
Well, Mom, I already got pictures of it. I already got pictures. Now let me go wash my hands. Let me go.
No, wait, come over here and do this other one.
Do I have to hold it? I don't have to hold it. Okay. I'm gonna hold it. Dad, take a picture of me.
Whoa, what's that thing?
A shell? I think there's families inside it. Was there families inside it? Yep. Oh.